If you're unable to download any app from your app store, or if you're getting account not in this store error, this 5-minute solution will show you how to fix account not in this store error problem on the iPhone app store. So open your app store and tap on your profile at the top right. Scroll down and tap on sign out. Tap on done. Once you signed out from your Apple App Store, now search for the app you want to install. Now tap on Get. Now sign back in. Tap on Install. Give it your Apple ID password again. And this is how we can fix account not in this store error on App Store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.